Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to layer your flowers by using a dotting tool for an autumn look. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of clear rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of clear builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of Spilt Milk, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Using milk and honey and your big dotting tool, place 5 dots next to one another in a circular position and fill in the center to create a flower. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Loco, repeat the last step. Make sure to do thin dots to ensure that it will cure with 10 seconds. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Red Desert, repeat the last step for your final flower. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Red Desert and your small dotting tool, place 5 smaller dots in a circular position inside the flower and fill it in. Cure for 10 seconds. Using milk and honey, repeat the last step. Make sure your inner flowers are smaller. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Loco, repeat the last step. Cure for 10 seconds. Place a dot in the center using the gel polish colors you have not yet used for each flower. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.